everyone, welcome back to Math Kangaroo class. And today we are going to discuss one more question that came in Math Kangaroo examination for grades 7 and 8. And this question is of 3 marks. So are you ready to reveal the question with me? Let's go. So here is the question. Point O is the center of the regular pentagon. What part of the whole pentagon is the shaded region? So here is the pentagon, as you can see. And this pentagon has 5 sides, right? And the part of this pentagon, this part is actually shaded, and we have to tell what part, what percentage of this whole pentagon is shaded. So to solve this question, what we can do, we can divide this pentagon into equal parts. Let's see how we can do that. One part can be this, one part can be this, and similarly, there can be 5 equal triangles that are dividing this pentagon. 3, 4, and 5. And if you will figure out the percentage of this whole figure is 100%. And there are 5 equal parts. So the percentage of each part will be 20%. 20%. This whole will be 20%. Third one will also be 20%. And the second part will also be 20%. Now we have a percentage for each equal part. Now this question is very simple. If you will see, the part that is actually being shaded, one is whole, that means 20%, and one is the half of the triangle. That will be half of 20, or else you can say 10%. In total, it is going to be 30% of the part that is being shaded. And we got our answer, that is option number D. Was it easy? So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, do let us know, do comment down below and do like this video. And I will meet you soon in the upcoming video. Thank you so much.